Good morning, class. Question is, so that the isosceles triangle of maximum area inscribed in a circle is an equilateral triangle. Let triangle ABC is a triangle inscribed in a circle of center O with given radius R. And given that it is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means AB equal ABC is an isosceles triangle. It is then area of triangle is maximum if point A opposite to side BC is at a maximum distance, means area is maximum when point A is at a maximum distance from BC, is maximum distance which is possible when point A lie on the diameter perpendicular to BC, means A lie on the diameter perpendicular to BC. This diameter perpendicular to and let diameter A, let it is M point AM bisect BC at point D, it is D. Since AD is perpendicular to BC and the line drawn from the center of a circle perpendicular to the chord bisect the chord, means BD equal DC. Since AD is perpendicular to BC and the perpendicular line drawn from the center of a circle to the chord bisect the chord, means BD equal DC. Let join BO and AO, let it is R and it is X 90 degree and BD is Y. Now R is constant, a circle is given. We have to prove that this triangle is an equilateral triangle if its area is maximum, means since in triangle BOD we have OB square by Pythagoras theorem is equal OD square plus BD square. OB square is R square, OD square is X square, and BD square is Y square. Then value of Y is square root R square minus X square. And since BD equal DC or BC is twice BD, then BC is equal twice BD. BD is Y, 2 into Y, 2 into R square minus X square. It is value of BC. Now we have to show that the area is maximum when it is an equilateral triangle. Then area of equilateral triangle, it is isosceles triangle, means area of triangle is 1/2 base into height BC into AD. BC is given 2 into R square minus X square, and AD is the sum of AO plus OD means to cancel out. We have square root R square minus X square into R plus X dx. R is constant, then R square minus X square into differentiation of this term we get 1, and R plus X differentiation of this term we get 1/2 bracket R square minus X square into minus 2x. 2 to cancel out. Now dA by dx is equal R square minus X square, taking LCM, minus Rx minus X square then it is R square minus 2x square minus Rx by R square minus X square. Further differentiate with respect to X, we have d2a by dx square is equal u by v, means R square minus X square differentiation of this term we get minus 4x minus R. Now R square minus 2x square minus Rx, and differentiation of this term we get minus 2x upon square root R square minus X square. Now put dA by dx equals 0 for maxima and minima. dA by dx is equal to 0, means we have R square minus 2x square minus Rx by square root R square minus X square is equal 0. Then we have R square minus Factorize this term, we get 2rx plus rx minus 2x square. We factorize the middle term, minus rx. Then we have r minus 2x plus r minus 2x. And value of r is equal 2x or r is equal minus x. It is not possible. Then value of r is 2x. Now we find the variable from here, the value of x. Then x equal r by 2, and we put the value of x in d2a by dx square. We have, if we put x equal r, then this term becomes 0, because x equal r by 2 is obtained when x equal r by 2 is a factor of this term. Then this value becomes 0. We have r square minus value of x is r square by 4, and it is minus 2 r by 2 minus r by r square minus r square by 4. Clearly it is negative, means at x equal r by 2, area of triangle is maximum. Now we have to show that it is an equilateral triangle. Then we put x equal r by 2 in this term. We have y equal r square minus x square. Put the value of y. Put the value of x. We have x equal r by 2, means r square by 4, and it is root 3 by 2 r, means value of y is root 3 by 2 r. Let this angle is theta, and if you join this line, it is also theta. Then if we apply tan theta in triangle BDO, tan theta is equal perpendicular, means y upon base. Value of y is root 3 by 2 r. Value of x is x r by 2. We have root 3. It means theta equal 60 degree. Theta is 60, means angle BOC is equal 120. Since the angle subtended by an arc at the center of a circle is twice of the angle subtended by the same arc at any point of the circumference, then angle BOC is twice angle BAC. We put BOC equal 120, twice angle BAC. Then angle BAC is 60 degree. Angle BAC is 60 degree. AB and AC are equal. Also AB equal AC, because triangle ABC is isosceles, means angle ABC is equal angle ACB. No, angle ABC and ACB equal X. Then X plus in triangle ABC, X plus 60 degree is equal 180. Then value of X is also 60 degree, means angle ABC, ACB and BAC, each angles are 60 degree, and triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle.